CCTV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sport Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Kibor penyanyi Jong kesengi kena skul Jonggari India balatiap kum ke Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad hakathong banonra ya Jingïalang ajan hapreng dikhot keseng badan hapok ke jala nadu ke khatlai tarik hadu khatsan tarik kulalingkot arja apulai kila pelong ya Jingïalang ba Hynriew lani ke 6 state conference hayung wali kedor bachnong Chiliang Raj Jowai haka Jingïalang jong ni ke 6 state conference balalong khatsau tarik lawan bandon lang dak Padma Shri award kong Trinity Sayo kum ke kongsan Hamar Singh L Kharmar kum sumbut kongsan Ashish Chauhan National Organizing Secretary Abvp Dr. Sashan Kutalang Kongthorem State President Tengku M Marak State Secretary Abvp SK Lato Chairman Reception Committee Uskham Jungmut Lao Secretary Reception Committee bat kiwe giri orang ba ya Jingïalang hangani kesengi la penyanyi do Sumarlin Maulong State Social Media Convener hakabau SK Lato Chairman Reception Committee ulai kintin periang buram balaya aru ke jingkren nau Dr. Sashan Kutalang Kongthorem State Secretary Abvp bat uskham jingmut lao Secretary Reception Committee
Knowledge doesn't mean just studying in school. I think the most important knowledge, the wisdom, is to know who you are. With that understanding, and as you keep searching for who you are, your traditions, your culture, all the things that you've been given through generations, thousands of years, is now within you. And that knowledge will bring character, because you feel confident within. You're proud of who you are, and able to share your knowledge with your friends, your fellow man. That brings unity. And with that unity, it continues the cycle where you keep understanding yourself better. And this cycle should continue your whole life. So I think right now, an organization like Abvp is so important.
According to the jobs, do not judge, do not depend on the governments or others. Start making or creating your own. Do not sit idle. Do not waste your time unnecessarily on social media or on toxicity. Instead, try to learn new ways and means as to make money or to build your good name.
The slogans which are emerging out of this land, or even at the occasion of India's presidency in G20, you can see the slogan India has given for the logo and the theme, that is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. All the world is a family. Vasudha means all land. Kutumbakam is the family. It is one family which is actually populating the whole world. It is one idea which has been transpired in the theme as one earth, one family, one future. Whatever we have seen in our nation, it has always thought for well-being of not only the people but also the all the living beings on this earth. And that's why what we strive for is to recreate that understanding, that level of knowledge, that level of competence, that place for our Mother India amongst community of nations. In the Assembly of Nations, our Mother India stand as one of those pious nations which will always help weak, poor and the third world countries who are still striving for development. That is the idea we harbor, that is the vision we harbor, and that is the idea which that journey of 7 decades was expressing in terms of how students, youngsters would be able to or were participating in that aspect that they wanted to create a better India.